Hey there, WooCommerce warriors. Are you ready to unlock the secret weapon to explosive sales growth and a fiercely loyal customer base? I'm talking about the power of referrals. Think about it. Who do you trust more, a random ad or a recommendation from a friend? Exactly. My name is Kevin, and this is Sleekr Digital. This course is your masterclass in setting up a killer coupon referral program right within your WooCommerce store. We're going to turn your existing customers into brand evangelists, rewarding them for bringing in new customers. It's like having a sales team that pays for itself. We'll dive into everything. You'll learn how the referral system works for both the referrer and the referee. We're all about fairness here. We'll cover the difference between sign-up coupons and referral purchase coupons, and show you how to offer the perfect discounts. We'll go into the depths of configuring and creating awesome referral rewards. Forget complicated marketing jargon. I'll break it all down step by step, showing you how to configure the plugin, prevent fraud because nobody likes a sneaky referrer, and track your program's success through insightful reports. Plus, we'll get into social sharing, customer limits, and user roles. By the end of this course, you'll be a coupon referral program pro, armed with the knowledge to skyrocket your sales, boost customer loyalty, and create a thriving community around your brand. So, let's get started and unleash the power of referral marketing.